Hello everyone! In this video we will be showing you how to load your quilt on the Moxie Longarm. Step 1. Prepare your quilt sandwich. Your quilt sandwich consists of your quilt top, batting, and backing fabric. We recommend having your batting and backing fabric at least 2 inches longer on each side. Step 2. Load the backing fabric. We do this by unlocking the latch. Unroll the leader all the way out and wrap it under the bottom bar, then over the top bar. This is called the burrito method. With the fabric outside facing the floor and its inside facing you, we then find the center point of your quilt's width. Pin that spot to save your mark. Attach your center point to the leader's center point, marked on the strip of fabric. We pin approximately 1/4 inch from the edge. Continue pinning all the way to both ends of your fabric. We recommend pinning so that the head of your pin will somewhat touch the point of the existing pin right next to it. After this, we lock the top latch. Unwrap the leader and start rolling. The latch will only let you roll in one direction once it's locked in. Roll from the center, and as you roll, smooth the fabric to each end of the leader. This is to make sure there are no creases or fabric tucked in unevenly. You can follow a rhythm. Roll, roll, smooth. When you get closer to the bottom of your quilt, we stop rolling. Standing on the opposite side of the Moxie, we will do the same thing again. First, find the center of your bottom width. Pin that mark. Unlock the latch of the bar closest to you and unroll the leader. Wrap it under the higher inner bar, then fold it back over the lower bar, resting it on top. Pin your center point to the mark on the leader. Once again, pin along the 1/4 inch line from the fabric edge. We then lock the lower latch and repeat the roll, roll, smooth rhythm. Remember to smoothen out from the center to each end of the leader and then to each end of the quilt fabric. Next, Unlatch the upper back bar. This allows us to roll the backing all the way onto the forward bar. Roll until you begin to see your pinned line from under the lower top bar. Then relatch. Step 3. Load the quilt top. The quilt top faces up, and from there we find the center point. Mark that with a pen. Unlatch the remaining bar and unroll the leader. Then you pin your center of your top to the point marked on the leader. After you finish pinning, drape the fabric over the top bars in the back. Lock the middle latch and begin rolling the quilt top towards you. Remember to roll smooth. You will stop rolling when the edge of the top is close to the top of your backing fabric. It should come to rest just under the pinned line in the back. Step 4. Load the batting. To load the batting, we drape the batting over the quilt top so that both top edges align. Then roll the batting towards you and tuck it between the two forward bars. Lift up the quilt top, unroll the batting, and smoothen it out nicely. Then smooth your quilt top down as well. And that is how you load your quilt sandwich on the Moxie Longarm.